Hello, my name is Gurk0009 and my Brightspace ID is Gurk0009. So today I am going to present my value-added service for the emerging technology CST and level 4 value-added service. So I am going to deploy WDS, the Windows deployment service. So in this firstly we will see about the criteria. So in this, we have to describe the business case for the value-added service, the technical component of the value-added service, network protocol, and the ports, and which ports are used. So, what infrastructure is required to have this function? Briefly demonstrate the service functioning in your project environment. Yeah. So, firstly, I will be explaining that how did I installed the service. Just let me open my window. So yeah, I'm using this service in the DFS, the machine which we made in the project. I did not made any new machine, so I am using my previous machine of the project only to elaborate this. So in this, firstly, you have to go on the manage for installing the WDS. You have to go to add roles and features. The server selection, yeah, it's that we can check that it is on the DFS. Next, and we will find this one, the the Windows deployment service. It's showing already installed on that because yeah, I have already installed that. So you have to do next, and you have to do the default settings, and you can install the WDS from there. So there is no post installation in that, I think. And then to open the WDS, you can go to tools, you can navigate to tools, and from tools you can show all the options, as we also use these all things in our project. So here's the Windows deployment service. Yeah, I'm going to click on that. Our servers. Yeah. So here from let me elaborate you. So here from here we will check our LSDFS. We will select our the DFS virtual machine. So from there we will there are two steps to install the machine through WDS. So in the first one you have to install the boot image, and in the second one you have to install the ISO image. So there are the extensions for the files are Vim. So I downloaded the ISO file for the Windows, which was given by the professor, like in the vSphere also from the vSphere, and I got the boot image file. So in the like you can see that I have installed the boot image. I have added the boot image to it because I was going to make the video, and but I can give you a demo that how can you add the boot image. From there you can go to browse, and from our DFD from where I have mounted the Windows, you can select the boot VM. Just make sure that you are not doing the install VM, you are doing the boot VM, and then you can do an open as I have already installed. So I will not do it again. And for the for the illustration, for the install image, like yeah, and from the install image and to run the machine, I can show you from this one. We can do like value added. Next, file location browse. Yeah. Now we have to select the install Vim. So from the install Vim, just a second, we have to do open. Yep, it's going on. Yeah. Till that time, I can you tell the benefits and the business case for the WDS. Like if you're working like in the project, we are working for a company, and if we are working in the IT department, like we have to manage a lot of machines. So it just helps. A technician can use one image to install the Windows remotely on numerous machines, whereas we have to involve in the DVDs, everything like that. But with the WDS, we can do it easily. And from the next, we will do Windows. We can select like which one do we want, standard. Next, yeah, it's making that. It's taking some time, but and if we are working in a company, it helps to deploy the virtual machine like in a lot of machines in a simple way, and it reduces the time for that also, and it becomes easy for a technician to deploy to deploy the virtual machine in the lot of the machines. So till that time we can see the our rubric and the another things. Describe the business case. Yeah, I have described the business case for which we have deployed in the technical components or network. Yeah, the network protocols which are needed in this one in deploying this is are the Active Directory, DNS, DHCP, TFTP. Yeah, because like if there will be no DNS, the clients clients will not be able to resolve the server addresses, everything, and the Active Directory. Yeah, we are using it from day one, and like we have to do the management of the machines and the data and the authorization, everything, and what network protocols are used and which ports are used, what infrastructure. What is Yeah, the services rely on ADUZ, DNS, TFTP, these ones. Yeah, and briefly to mention the service functioning in the yeah. So the ports are left. The ports which we're using are the ports which are in the use are the port 67, 68, 69, and the PXC PXC boot is also in use. Yeah, and we can redirect to our machine. Yeah, two images of four. It's already 9 minutes, and I think we have a video of 10 minutes. If I can demonstrate this part in the new video, or is it okay for that? Mm. Like the main thing is that the boot image is added, and from the install images we can create a machine that it will be very easy for in that way. Yeah, we have the install images in that. Yeah, these are installed images. Yeah, that was our video, so it's already 10 minutes. So I have demonstrated this one. Thank you so much.